5-minute guided meditation for inner stillness and clarity. Sit in a peaceful spot where you can be undisturbed. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, feel yourself embracing the stillness of your surroundings. Turn your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of air entering and exiting your nostrils. Let your breath flow naturally without effort. Scan your body for any areas of tension. With each out-breath, imagine those areas softening and relaxing. Allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them without attachment. Visualize them as leaves floating on a stream, drifting away, leaving your mind clear and serene. In the space of calm created by your quiet mind, envision a clear, tranquil lake. Its surface is smooth, reflecting the sky above. Feel the clarity it brings to your mind. Focus on the area around your heart. Imagine a light glowing there, symbolizing peace. With each breath, feel this peace expanding, filling your entire being. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling refreshed and clear. When you're ready, open your eyes, bringing the stillness and clarity with you. Acknowledge the tranquility you've cultivated. Stretch gently if you wish, and approach the rest of your day with a sense of calm and focus. Thank you for taking this time to connect with your inner stillness. May your mind stay clear and your heart at peace.